Alright, thank y'all so much for joining me on another video. Today we'll be working on the Harley cart. I want to thank y'all real quick for all the comments and everything. Y'all comment, all the good stuff, you know what I'm talking about. Doing these videos makes it even that much funner, building these projects to be able to share with y'all. So I just want to thank y'all for that real quick. If you do like the videos, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Helps everything out, you know. It gets more attention and views. So if you can do that real quick, that would be really cool. So we're definitely going to be working on this today. I mentioned in the last video when we played with this a little bit and worked on some of the front end that the oil is leaking from somewhere on here, and I'm not sure where yet. If you haven't watched that video, I have an oil leak somewhere, and the transmission housing with the clutch and everything, basically the drive line, that holds oil, and then they have a separate oil tank for the engine, so I'm not really sure which one's leaking. It's been doing it for about probably 3 or 4 weeks, so I assume all the oil from either location has leaked out. So I figured I'd let it all leak out, that way I wouldn't have to do as much troubleshooting and figure out where it came from. So first thing we're going to do is check the oil tank on the back, because that's really easy to access. It's just one little nut and you pull the plug out. So if that's empty, I'll start having to look at hoses and stuff and seeing where that's actually coming from. If that's still full, like it should be, because I don't think it's leaking from there, I'll then take the cover off of the outer primary and check and see if that has oil. If that doesn't have oil, I will take the drain plug out and go ahead and check that and make sure that's all good. I have it charging right now, and I have a jumper box charging right now, so hopefully if everything's good and I find the leak, we'll go take this thing out today. I haven't rode it in a while, and I want to show y'all the flight clutch a little bit more that I showed y'all in the last video, because I only rode it once with it and it was pretty cool, but I have it really dialed in now, so it's a lot better. And I guess we'll get today's video started. Real quick, I just wanted to show you my little setup, because I got my mic adapter in today and the mic's all hooked up and everything. So show you all the little setup I got going on here. I got the little LED light for some low lights. Oh shit! No, that's not good. My fun size Red Bull spilled. That's like all of it right there on the floor. Oh man. All right, I didn't need that anyway. So the first thing we're gonna check is this oil tank right here. It's got this little plug right here. You just pull that off. I had it loose actually, because I've been checking it a little bit. So we're gonna check and see if they have any oil inside there. Y'all probably won't be able to see, but I'm gonna check that real quick. I use my big old Wang for storage shed. This doesn't look like it's leaking oil, but it's definitely low, so I'll need to add some in there. I guess we'll just check the primary. The housing's right here. You just take off this cover right here and you can pretty much see the oil level and check all that. So that is the Allen keys, and I'm pretty sure my Allen keys are right here. So I'll go ahead and start taking that off. See right there is the cover for it. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Actually, I had to go grab this set. I'm pretty sure this is the standard set and that's the metric set. Don't quote me on that or clown me. So it's just 3 easy little Allen heads. It's not that one. I'm gonna strip it out real quick. Hopefully we can take a ride on this, because I didn't realize it when I bought it, but this GoPro has GPS on it or something, so you can do telemetry and stuff. So hopefully I'll get to go take a ride for it and y'all can see some G-force or whatever. I don't know, you can put on like speed, I guess. That'll be super cool for when we really take this thing out, maybe to the drag strip or something. That'll give us a little added footage. So I'm gonna hurry up and take this off, and then we'll check the fluid levels. I think I do have some more oil, so that'll be a good thing. I'll just be able to add some in right quick. I usually do this with my seat off, but I did not feel like taking my seat off today. Alright, I'm gonna have to stick my head in there and get a good view of it. Alright, so I went and grabbed 2 quarts of this V-Twin 20W50 oil for this. So hopefully I don't lose these, because they're not cheap at all. I think it was $25 for 2 quarts. So I'm going to go ahead and add some to the oil tank and to the clutch housing. and not gonna add too much because I don't think it needs a lot. But I didn't find the leak yet. I probably need to get a funnel. I didn't really find the leak, but I'm probably still gonna send it because I really want to ride this thing, and I guess I'll just find the leak later if it keeps leaking. But it's whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill those up, and then we'll try to crank this thing up and go take it for a spin. All right, so I got the oil in and everything. All the cases are closed and whatnot. Dupe is here. Yep. So I have been having it charging for about an hour, probably on like 40 amps, and I have a jumper box, whatever. Hopefully get it started. So we're gonna try to do that right now, and then try to go take it for a spin. Sounds like a good idea. Absolutely. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all earlier, these are the shirts that I had made. In the other video, I didn't have one on, and I told y'all about them. So the link in the description, it pulls up an Amazon page, and it's kind of confusing. Just click see other buying options, and you can go pick from medium or large. It's there, and just click add to cart and buy one because they're dope and they're soft and comfortable. So we're gonna try to get this running for y'all real quick and go send it. All right, we tried for about 5-10 minutes trying to get this thing started, and the jumper box died on us. It would not even like pop or nothing like it usually does. We pulled the spark plugs, both of them have great sparks, so I don't really know what it is. We might be flooding the carburetors with the fuel pump, but we have a return fuel line, so it shouldn't have any really pressure on it. The fuel pumps just kind of bring the fuel to it because it's usually gravity fed. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to probably get someone to take a look at it. I didn't realize when I bought this GoPro that it has GPS on it and you can use telemetry and stuff like speed, like I talked about earlier. So I'm gonna gotta take a rip on the drifttrike because I kind of want to try it out. And I haven't rode the drifttrike in a while, so it should be fun. And I'll put y'all in the helmet and we'll go take a little rip. Well blood. At least this baby still cranks. Front tire. Huh? I need to put air in the front tire. Somebody got any telemetry? Get the tires off. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna break something. I can't grab my clutch. Put that thing in neutral. All right. Little hit. I don't know how wild that looked on camera, but it was very fun. We haven't cut up in a while on this thing, so I need to put some PVC pipes. Bro, I'm trying to do an outro here. So yeah, it was really fun, but we're gonna pick it up because I don't want to break anything else, because we have broke, and this one's still good. So we're gonna pick it up and call it a night. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. It helps out a lot and everything, and we appreciate the thumbs up. Comment something, whatever you want to comment, just leave something in the comment section. Make sure to go check out the shirts if you like them. They're super comfortable. I have mediums and larges. I only have a couple left, so you might want to go hit that up quick before they're sold out. So I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Peace out.